This is a tornado watch. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued Tornado Watch number 471, effective until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Charlottetown County. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable to the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather might not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changes in weather conditions, and should listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.